Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert Google Play balance into a redeem code. Before we begin, keep in mind that Google Play balance cannot normally be directly converted into a new redeem code or gift card. However, you can redeem valid codes and use your available balance for eligible purchases. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Now tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, tap on Payments and Subscriptions. Next, look for the Redeem Code option and tap on it. Google may ask you to verify your email or account before continuing. Follow the verification steps shown on your screen. Once verification is complete, you can enter a valid Google Play gift card or promotional code and redeem it to your Google Play balance. Now, if you want another way to use your Google balance, go back to the Play Store and search for Google Wallet. If Google Wallet is available for your device, install or update the app and complete the setup. After setting it up, you can use supported payment methods for eligible purchases. Depending on your region and account, you may be able to purchase apps, games, subscriptions, and other digital content. And that's it. That's how you can access the Google Play redemption option, redeem a valid code, and use your available balance for eligible Google services and purchases. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Android, Google, and technology tutorials.